Hello everyone, this is ZK Inspire Games. In my last video, I spoke about my 9-month game development journey with Unity. I've now updated my game, Fatal Strike, which is available on the Play Store. During the initial release, I received mixed reviews. Players mentioned that while it's fun to shoot zombies, it becomes monotonous after some time due to repetitiveness. To be honest, game development can be challenging. I once struggled for a week with the mechanics of shooting zombies, but finally cracked it with some lines of code. The joy of creating something after pouring countless hours into it is unparalleled. Every creator loves their creations. However, when someone else plays your game, they might not feel the same way you do. I strongly believe that those who criticize your game are actually helping you improve. With that in mind, I decided to update the game. One mistake I realized was that the player always ran at the same speed. So, I've now added a feature where the player's speed increases every 15 seconds, leading to more dynamic gameplay. Moreover, I've introduced 3 levels or maps, each with distinct characters, environments, and zombies. The first level is City. Here, I've designed a diverse environment with random obstacles that spawn ahead of the player. Each time a player engages with any map or level, they'll encounter a unique set of environments and zombie challenges. The second level is Battle City. In this, players will control a military man character. The environment design is similar to the city level, but with distinct visuals and gameplay mechanics. Here, the layout is vertically oriented, which should provide a fresh experience. Additionally, I've made the zombies slightly larger. The third level, Giant City, offers something unique. Players control ASW, a T character, and zombies here are gigantic. These zombies can only be defeated with 2 shots, and rather than merely attacking the player, they'll now kick the player when approached. I've also addressed some bugs related to high scores and top shots. Every day, I'm enhancing my game development skills. I genuinely believe the game now offers a richer, more interesting experience. Please give it a try, friends. I hope you all enjoy it. Currently, I'm developing my next game, a third-person zombie shooter with a narrative focus. Alongside this, I'm producing tutorials on how to build a game like Fatal Strike from scratch. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to ZK Inspire Games.